Hello everyone, today I will show you how to scan and OCR a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file and I will scan and OCR this PDF file. Select this tools option and here you will find this scan and OCR option. Click here. Okay. Now select enhance. Now click on this scan document. Okay. Now you can scan all of this page, current page or specific page range. Also you can recognize text or you can remove this recognize text and recognize text, and this is setting option. Click here all pages, and this is color and grayscale option. I'll make JPG and monochrome. I'll select lossless and you can make it medium quality or high quality. I'll make it medium quality, and this text document language setting option. You can select your language which one you want to detect. I'll select English, and output you can select searchable image or editable text and image. Select OK. Okay, and select OK. Now finally click on this enhance option and select yes, and wait for fusion and see this converting. And see this OCR now completed, and you can edit this text and image. Select edit option as edit PDF and see this image. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.